Like and subscribe right now, or this spider will crawl on your face while you're sleeping.
To defend themselves and incapacitate their prey, many animals naturally manufacture venoms, toxins, and poisons, while others collect toxins from the food they eat. Poisonous organisms occur in all shapes, sizes, and colors, from jellyfish to snakes. You're watching Animal Trend, and today we're going to teach you about a variety of venomous animals, ranging from shrews to platypus. However, number 1 may surprise you. Number 10. Asian tiger snake. The only snake species that is both venomous and toxic is the Asian tiger snake. It not only makes toxin for its bite, but it also retains poison acquired from its toad prey in its skin. The tiger keelback snake, Rhabdophis tigrinus, is a venomous and dangerous colubrid from Japan that receives its venom from eating toxic toads, which are one of its main food items. When these snakes come into contact with predators, they arch their neck to expose the nuchal gland area, which stores the toad toxin, in an attempt to scare them away. When predators bite the gland, the toxic is most likely blasted into their mouths or faces. Number 9. Comb stars. Tetrodotoxin, a potent neurotoxin found in comb stars, causes paralysis and eventually death due to respiratory failure. A gram of comb star flesh contains enough toxicity to kill 520 mice, and there is currently no antidote for tetrodotoxin. The comb sea star belongs to the Astropectinidae family of sea stars. It is the most widely distributed species in the Astropecten genus, with distribution across the Indo-Pacific region. The specific epithet polyacanthus originates from the Latin word polyacanthus, which means many-thorned, which explains the deadly nature of the plant. Number 8. Hooded PITOHUI. The hooded PITOHUI, the first deadly bird to be discovered, is a beautiful bird with a brick-red belly and a black head. It has powerful beak and strong legs. The bright colors of the bird are an example of aposematism, or cautionary colors. Homobotratoxin is a neurotoxin found in the skin and feathers of the hooded PITOHUI. When it comes into contact with humans, it can cause little numbness and tingling. A scratch or a quick jab from its beak can make us numb, but it is much more dangerous to smaller creatures. The poison is assumed to have come from the bird's diet of bugs. Homobotratoxin, a neurotoxin, is discovered in the skin and feathers. If a large amount of this poison enters our bodies, it can cause paralysis, and in the worst-case scenario, death. Homobotratoxin, the most deadly of all naturally occurring chemicals, keeps feather lice away from the PITOHUI. Number 7. Rough-skinned newt. There are only 3 poisonous salamander species, with the rough-skinned newt being the most poisonous. They have enough tetrodotoxin in their flesh to kill most predators, but they emit a strong odor to warn others. Those that consume the newt, however, feel numbness throughout their bodies, as well as cardiac arrest. Number 6. Poison dart frog. Poison dart frogs, also known as Dendrobatidae, have some of the most vibrant and gorgeous colors on the planet. Individual ecosystems, which range from Costa Rica's tropical woods to Brazil's, might be yellow, gold, copper, red, green, blue, or black, depending on the species. To ward off possible predators, their intricate designs and hues are purposefully conspicuous, a practice known as aposematic coloring. The poison dart frog is a little, vividly colored frog that warns predators that it is poisonous. Their poison is stored in their skin and affects anyone who comes into contact with it or consumes it. Number 5. Cane toad. A huge species of toad with a body length of up to 15 centimeters and up to 25 on rare occasions. Toads with darker patches and spots have a light brown or yellow-brown back. The skin is cracked and dry. The belly is white or golden, with gray mottling on occasion. Toxin glands of cane toads produce bufotoxin, one of the world's most toxic toxins. The toxin in their skin is so deadly it can kill a variety of species, but dogs are especially vulnerable. When eaten, cane toad tadpoles are highly hazardous to most animals. Number 4. Spanish fly. A Spanish fly is a blister beetle that releases the toxin cantharidin to protect itself from predators. When the toxin comes into contact with the skin, it causes severe blistering and burning agony. The toxin in the beetle causes ulcers, burning, and bleeding throughout the digestive tract, and can possibly lead to death if consumed. Number 3. Striated surgeonfish. The striated surgeonfish can be found in the Indo-Pacific region's tropical seas. Easter Island, the Hawaiian archipelago, and the Marquesas Islands are not included. It has a black body with faint bluish streaks strewn across it. It is most often found inside lagoons, but it can also be found on the outer reef slope. It can grow to a maximum size of 9.5 inches, although most people see it around 7 inches. Large groups form throughout the reproductive season. In November in Tetiaroa, it's usual to witness juveniles circling coral heads to evade predators like groupers and trevallies. Algae and tiny invertebrates are the main source of food for this fish. Toxins are accumulated by a striated surgeonfish's diet. They occasionally eat small dinoflagellates that create matotoxin while eating algae. Ciguatera fish poisoning is caused by a buildup of this toxin in their flesh, which affects 20,000 to 50,000 people each year. Ciguatera symptoms are similar to those of other types of food poisoning, but they can linger for months or years, and they can become so severe that the condition is mistaken for multiple sclerosis. Number 2. Hawksbill sea turtles. Hawksbills are named after its pointed, narrow beak. On their shells, they have a characteristic pattern of overlapping scales that produce a serrated edge. These colorful and patterned shells are highly valued and are usually sold in marketplaces as tortoise shells. Hawksbill turtles can be found in the world's tropical oceans, mostly in coral reefs. They devour sponges, which they pull from cracks in the reef with their narrow, pointed beaks, but they also eat sea anemones and jellyfish. Sea turtles are live representatives of a species of reptiles that have existed on Earth for the past 100 million years and have sailed our oceans all that time. They play an important role in maintaining the health of coral reefs and seagrass beds in marine habitats. Hawksbill sea turtles eat a wide variety of prey, including toxic algae and sponges, as well as venomous cnidarians, so their meat can become extremely toxic. This means that anyone who consumes the meat of one of these turtles will most certainly develop marine turtle poisoning, which includes nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and other gastrointestinal issues. Number 1. Pufferfish. Pufferfish have severe nerve poisons in their liver, kidneys, and spikes that are harmful to humans. While certain cultures consider the flesh of some species to be a costly delicacy, it can be dangerous if prepared incorrectly. Hence, it should only be consumed when prepared by a licensed chef. A predator who catches a puffer before it inflates will not be happy for long. Almost all pufferfish contain tetrodotoxin, a toxin that gives them a bad taste and makes them dangerous to fish. Tetrodotoxin is up to 1,200 times more toxic than cyanide in humans. One pufferfish contains enough poison to kill 30 adult humans, and there is no known antidote. This was all about the 10 most venomous animals in the world. Which one shocked you the most? Let us know in the comment box below. And if you enjoyed this video, then do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting animal-related videos.